Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Imran and today I am going to tell you about how to narrow down a topic. When we write a paragraph, an essay, a thesis, or a book, we have a topic or a title. But we have many ideas regarding our topic and we have to narrow down these ideas. So in this lecture, I will tell you how to narrow down our topic. So let's start. How to narrow down a topic. For example, I am writing one sentence here. We sell fresh fish here. It was the sentence which was written on the shop of a fish. The seller has written this sentence on his board that we sell fresh fish here. So the first customer comes to his shop and says, "Hey, why have you written this word here? We sell fresh fish here." We know that, and the people knows that you sell fresh fish here. You are the person who is selling the fish. So this word is not needed. So the seller agrees and removes this word. Now it is written on his board, "Sell fresh fish here." So the next customer comes and says, "Hey, why have you written this word here? I know that you are selling the fish. You are not buying the fish. So you should remove this word." So the seller removes this word as well. The next customer comes and says, "Hey, why you have written this word fresh? Aren't you selling the fresh fish? Or are you selling the rotten fish? Obviously, you are selling the fresh fish. So it is obvious. So you should remove this word." And he removes this word as well. Now the next customer comes and says, "Hey, why have you written this word here? I know you are selling the fish here, so it is not needed to mention that here you are selling this fish. So you should remove this word." And he removes the word. Now This word is written on his board, and the customer comes and says, "Hey, I know you are selling the fish, and why have you written this word here? We know from the smell of the fish that you are selling the fish, so it is not needed to write this word here." So he removes this word as well. It was just a joke. Now I am going to tell you about how to narrow down a topic. For example, I want to write a paragraph on education. You know, there are two types of education, like formal and informal. So I decide to write on formal education. There is education in different parts of the world, like in America, like in Pakistan, like in China. So I would like to write the education in Pakistan. So I will write the word Pakistan here. I want to write about education and then education in Pakistan, specifically education in Pakistan. Moreover, in the next step, there are many systems of education in Pakistan, like secondary education, like Cambridge education, like madrasa education. So I want to write about secondary education. So I will write this word here. So in this way you can narrow down your topic. Now this way. You want to write about education, and specifically and particularly you want to write education in Pakistan, and moreover, more specifically, you want to write about secondary education in Pakistan. So your topic will be secondary education in Pakistan. Now it is a specific topic on which I want to write. So in this way, you can narrow down your topic. So it was today's lecture. I think you have enjoyed it. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.